All right, once again, it's Barnes Howell Hunting Team, and today I'm doing a comparison between the Glock 19 and the 6-out P320, both chambered in 9mm. All right, so we're going to fire 10 rounds apiece from each one. Let's see how we do. All right, that was the Glock. Now time for the SIG. All right, both guns shoot really well. This Glock has a threaded barrel for your suppressor, so that's why it looks a little different, but they both shoot well, but I got to give it hands down to the SIG. All right, thanks for watching.